Roblox lets you customize almost every part of your profile, including your gender settings. Whether you want your avatar to better match your style or you're just updating your profile information, changing your gender on Roblox is quick and easy. Here is how to do it in just a few steps. First, you need to go ahead and launch your Roblox application on your mobile device, log into your account, tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen. Once you're there, you need to go ahead and tap on settings that is between gift cards and health and safety. Within the settings menu, you'll find several different options. What you're looking for is account information. So go ahead and click on account info. This will take you to a page displaying various details about your Roblox account. On the account information page, you will see a list of different attributes associated with your account. Carefully scan through the list until you locate the gender option. You will generally find this between the birthday and language option. And once you've found it, you'll be able to click on it either male or female. And after clicking on, you can restart your Roblox application to set your preferred gender. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.